Here's a message for my friend named Matthew James Dermond. I don't want this no more of this Say Round the World. I used to buy it back in 2017, but now it's time to give away to Matthew James Dermond. And you're watching this, Matthew? I will post your comment about the Wiggles Say Round the World DVD. You want to send me a comment, drop them off if you think about this DVD or not. See you later. That's all. I don't need the Wiggles Say Round the World anymore. See you soon, mate. See you soon.